In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a lost drawing in AutoCAD quickly and easily. If you work with AutoCAD, you might have encountered a situation where you accidentally zoom too far out or get too close, making it hard to find your drawing in the workspace. It's a common mishap, but luckily, there's a simple way to rectify this and get back on track with minimal hassle. Whenever you lose sight of your drawing, you can leverage the powerful zoom command available in AutoCAD. This command is a lifesaver, allowing you to instantly refocus on your drawing. The process is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. First, you'll want to type the word zoom right into the command line. Once you've done that, simply press the Enter key to activate the command. With the zoom tool now engaged, you're nearly there. The next step is to type the letter A, which stands for All, and press Enter once more. What's happening behind the scenes is that AutoCAD is using the Zoom Extents feature, which zeroes in on all the elements of your drawing at once. It doesn't matter if your drawing includes tiny details or vast expanses. This command creates a bounding box around everything you've included in your workspace. Within moments, you'll find your view adjusted perfectly to encapsulate all parts of your drawing, so you won't have to worry about finding individual pieces scattered around the screen. And just like that, you're back in control, seeing your entire drawing space as it was intended. This trick not only saves time, but also reduces the frustration of manually navigating through the workspace to find missing elements. A helpful tip to remember in the future is that while using the zoom command is incredibly effective, practicing mindful navigation habits can prevent this issue from arising as frequently. For instance, try to maintain a consistent zoom level that balances overview and detail. Regular use of pan and orbit techniques in moderation can also help maintain your sense of orientation within the drawing space. That's really all there is to it. With just a couple of quick commands, you can bring your drawing back into full view, ensuring that you always have a clear perspective on your work. Keep this tip in your back pocket, and you'll find navigating AutoCAD's vast space much more manageable. Thanks for following along, and I hope this quick and easy solution has been helpful. Happy drawing, and see you next time.